Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream eyeshadow from powder. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You will need your favorite powder eyeshadow, a clean mixing surface, and a small, airtight container for your finished product. For the creamy base, choose an unscented lotion, petroleum jelly, or shea butter. Remember to use clean tools to maintain product hygiene and quality. Now, let's prepare your powder. Carefully scrape approximately 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of your chosen powder eyeshadow into a small, clean dish. Using a toothpick or a small spatula, grind the powder until it is very fine, ensuring there are absolutely no clumps. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, creamy texture in your final eyeshadow. Feel free to mix different powder shades to invent a unique color. Next, we will begin mixing to achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Add a very small amount of your chosen creamy base to the finely ground powder. Begin with about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon. Mix these ingredients thoroughly using a toothpick or a small spatula. Continue to add more of the creamy base, just a few drops at a time, until you reach your desired smooth and blendable cream eyeshadow texture. Once your cream eyeshadow is perfectly mixed, carefully transfer it into a small, airtight container. For best results, allow your new creation to set for several hours or even overnight before its first use. When applying, use a clean fingertip or an eyeshadow brush for smooth, even coverage. Remember, a small amount is often all you need to achieve vibrant, long-lasting color on your eyelids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.